Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale Merge 2025, an exciting new take on a classic strategy game. This innovative title combines the strategic card battles you love with a fresh, engaging merging mechanic. Your primary goal is to combine identical troops or spells on your battle grid, upgrading them into more powerful versions to dominate opponents. It's a fun twist, requiring clever planning and quick decisions in every match. Understanding the merge mechanic is crucial for success in Clash Royale Merge 2025. When you have two identical cards on your battle board, simply drag one directly onto the other. This seamless action instantly combines them, producing a single, more powerful version of that card. For instance, merging two level 1 barbarians will create a much stronger level 2 barbarian, ready to unleash more damage. Mastering this helps you upgrade your army quickly and effectively. Resource management is key to long-term progression. Gold is your main currency, earned by winning battles and opening chests. Use it to upgrade your cards and purchase new ones in the shop. Gems, on the other hand, are premium and much rarer, often acquired through achievements or direct purchase. Save your gems for truly impactful items, such as legendary chests or speeding up critical upgrades to gain a significant advantage. Prioritize smart spending for steady growth. Crafting a strong deck is paramount for victory. Aim for a balanced selection of 8 cards, including tanks, damage dealers, and support units, keeping your average elixir cost around 3-8. During battles, strategically deploy your merged, upgraded cards to defend your towers and launch powerful counterattacks. Always consider troop synergy, like placing a wizard behind a golem. Effective placement and timing are crucial to outmaneuver your opponent and destroy their king's tower. To truly excel, focus on consistent progression and advanced strategies. Joining an active clan early is highly recommended for card donations and participation in lucrative clan wars. Pay close attention to unique card interactions and learn optimal counters for popular units. Consistently complete your daily and weekly quests for valuable rewards and experience points. Experiment with diverse deck archetypes to find your perfect playstyle. Staying active and adapting your strategies will lead to long-term success and higher trophy counts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.